Saturday, May 10th, and hopefully everybody can hear me okay over the wind. We're at our buddy Fred's place, and he has got a 1952 R18, and he cleaned it up a little bit, wants to get it out of the yard and sold. And so he popped by Dad's shop here a couple days ago, and I said I'd come by and we'll do a new video here. This is a for sale video. This wide gauge is for sale, and we'll just take a quick look at it. On this side here, the tracks look pretty good. Looks like one flat there,
and one tire needs to be replaced.
And one tire needs to be replaced. And
the solid back tires.
Solid back tires there.
Brand new sprockets.
Brand new sprockets.
They got brand new brass bushings and all.
In the
bogies.
On the bogies, we have brand new brass bushings in the bogies. We got original dash mounted gear shifter right there. That's a $400 part, and he used to use this for some commercial fishing. So we're gonna walk around the whole machine so you guys can see this, but he's given a bit of a cleanup here, and he wants it out of the yard. So we're going to give you the price right at the end here, but it's been parked here and he wants it gone. And it does run, we know it runs, but we do have the chimney out back because they used to have the little stove on the inside. On this side, tracks all look good, sprockets look good. I don't see any flats. We got the rear solid tire back there.
This is me going to start it.
Okay, he's starting it up. One turn and it goes. So Fred says this is a Ford 306, and that's what he's got installed in there right now. And he's got the back door open so that you can see that the rad looks in pretty good shape in the transmission cooler. Of course, you know, like everything requires some service.
That's a brand new rad.
Brand new rad. Well, right there, that's $1,500, guys. So on the inside here, we'll just pop open the door again. That engine looks like you can eat off it. It's that clean. And so you've got the original metal gas tanks, right?
Hydraulic brakes.
Okay. And yeah, it looks like some newer parts in there, guys. So this is a good winter road commercial fishing Bombardier, and you know, some cleanup in here, and you could have a good machine. Headliner requires a little bit of work. Got some spare parts back here.
Just needs new paint.
Yeah, new paint. And then he's got the rack up top for carrying gear, which is standard for a lot of commercial fishermen. And we're just going to pop over the other side here again. Looks like a new battery, or newer battery, a metal gas tank. If you wanted to go for the plastic gas tanks, you can get those off of Dennis Evans in Regina. I don't see any cleats missing or any backing plates missing here. And so yeah, you guys can get a steal of a deal here. Now previously he did have this for sale, but he had a lot of tire kickers, and we're just gonna go ask Fred the magic number. Fred, if a guy wanted to buy this today,
15, or we can take offers.
15, and it's all yours. And that means 15,000 cash on the barrelhead, or 15,000 with a certified money bank draft. Fred's located in the Paw, Manitoba, and Fred has got a yard full of farming equipment here, and he's not commercial fishing anymore. That means that you can take this away from him at a steal. It's a good price, guys. Dad and I actually did all the calculations. 15 grand is a really good price. You know, you do have some investment in here to get it up to whatever level you want, but bring a trailer, have the ability to haul it onto that trailer.
The lights all work.
Okay.
Windshield wiper works.
Okay. Windshield wiper motor is $400, guys. At least the ones I buy.
Dome light works. Everything works. Headlights work.
Okay.
New headlights, new tail lights.
Glass looks all original as well. And so yeah, you're gonna have to invest in one tire and then I think a tube here. So if you've got those spares, you're lucky. But guys, we're gonna just turn to Fred here. Fred, what's your phone number again?
Area code 204-623-5510.
Okay, that's 204-623-5510. And it's Fred Johnson you want to talk to. And he's located in the Paw, Manitoba. He's just a couple miles down the road from Dad. And guys, 1952 wide gauge. You're not going to get a better price on this. I think he's just ready to let her go here, and he wants the next generation to own it. He did commercial fishing, and he wants to see somebody else maybe get this old girl back on the ice and in her proper place, because she's not doing anything here. So again, give Fred a call, and don't call me direct. Don't ask me questions. I do not own this machine. Fred owns it. Cash or certified check. No personal checks, period. Don't come here and start lowballing him either. He doesn't have the time or the patience for that. Okay, Fred, are you sad about selling it, or are you gonna be happy to see it go?
I'm too old to get excited anymore.
Okay, buddy.